Introducing Team Street Dance.
Are the two teams ready?
Yeah! 3, 2, 1, dance! Any cook! Firstly, mash up an avocado, then mix in some hummus, lime juice and lime zest.
Hummus is a delicious and nutritious source of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates gives you a huge amount of energy so you can break it down all night. And now for the coriander. Hey!
Top the mixture with coriander leaves.
Prepare your carrot and pepper crudités by cutting and grating them into bite-sized pieces. Crudités are raw vegetables that you dip in something.
They both contain a massive amount of vitamins to keep you healthy for the late night disco.
And serve on a bed of spinach and rocket.
Now start your party! So who were the best team?
And who made the healthiest dish?
Team Jazz, you are